I know some investors have fears of handing over management to a company because this means they lose control over making investments and decision making. And with at least with our organization, I don't know about anybody else's management company, but I know at Red Maples, we actually give this control back over to the owner. We take the burden of the work off of their shoulders, and we utilize programs like Buildium Property Management. One of the cool things that we know, because we've been doing this for years, is that organizations like Buildium, whenever you use their software package, they'll give you a generic set of what's called general ledger codes. And so these general ledger codes are the way that you categorize an expense. I don't want to bore everybody today on this show talking about accounting, but there is some interesting things that this software, when you can utilize this software properly and put custom GL codes in, like what we have done, you can begin to do things for investors as a management organization, like separate out their maintenance cost from their reno costs, or separate out their turnover costs from the ongoing repair costs. So you can get an accurate depiction of what these costs look like within your investment. And so it's really important from an investor standpoint that you actually gain control and have better understanding of your financials, so that when you go to refinance your 25 or 29 or 35 unit apartment community or scattered site portfolio that you're trying to deal with, you've got accurate information about what's going on. Because what are those people going to look at? They're going to look at, what is the income? What is the expenses? What is the occupancy rates, right? What is your collection rates? You've got to be able to provide this information to them in order to get that loan to refinance. Or what are you going to be doing? You're going to be selling off assets. And so that's what utilizing technology can do for you in a property management software platform like what we utilize with Buildium. You're able to do these specific things. One of the other benefits that gives you a little bit more control as an owner is the owner's portal through a software program like Buildium. You can log into your accounts. You can see what's going on with collections, maintenance. You can pull these reports on your own. You've got access to your leases. This is like having an entire team going out and doing a whole bunch of work for you. And it's all happening automated behind the scenes. And then you can watch your accounts. You can see what's actually happening with your investments. You can make investment decisions with your property manager within our organization. And so technology drives these types of things. And if you're not using software programs like Buildium, then you have a problem. I have a lot of property investors who tell me, well, I still run this out of QuickBooks, or I'm doing this out of Quicken, or I'm running all this stuff off of spreadsheets. And I even know property management organizations that use free different pieces of technology like Tenant Cloud. And these things are not terrible. But they're just not going to give you the control that you need as an organization as you continue to scale. And modern platforms like the software program that we use, Buildium, can help give you a sense of better control for your investment.